Hi, in this video I will show you how to set up and use the homework writing machine, also known as 2D plotter we have just built in the previous video. So let's get started. Once you have assembled the machine and connected all the wires, the machine is ready for work. In case you have missed it, here is the wiring diagram which I have also explained in the blog. Once the wiring is done, we have to upload the firmware to the Arduino board. You can download the GRBL firmware I have used from the link in the video description. Download and open the Arduino IDE. Go to Libraries, add .zip library, locate the GRBL firmware file and open it. Now go to Examples, GRBL and open GRBL upload. Now connect the Arduino Uno via USB and hit upload. This will take a short while and the GRBL firmware will be uploaded to the Arduino. Now our machine is ready to accept Gcode files. Next, download UGS or Universal Gcode Sender. This software will enable us to run the Gcode files on our machine. After downloading, open the UGS platform, refresh the COM port and select the right one and hit connect. This will establish a serial connection between the Arduino and the software. Go to Firmware, Machine Settings and change these values for travel resolution, rate and acceleration. Click on Save and close the box. Change the step size to 10 mm and increase the feed rate to about 5000. You can manually control the X and Y axis through the jog controller. Measure the movement of the axis using a ruler. The actual travel should be the same as the feed rate. If not, then you have to change the travel resolution from the machine settings. You can also enter Gcode commands. For example, the Gcode M03S250 will turn the servo up and M03S90 will turn it back down. We can also send Gcode files to the machine through UGS, but before that we will have to create them for our machine. To generate the Gcode files, we will require Inkscape. Go to the link below and download version 0.92 of Inkscape. You will also need some additional plugins to generate the Gcode files. Download them through the link in the description below. Once downloaded, copy the folder contents and paste them in the Inkscape install directory under Share Extensions. Now open Inkscape and you can find Draw tools under Extensions. The software part is now complete. We will now prepare the machine for its first use. Place your notebook or paper under the work area. You can use a clip to keep the page in place, or you can also use tape. Manually place the head to the starting area, which is the bottom left corner of the page. Write M03S250 command to turn the pen angle up. Attach a pen which you would like to use to the clip pen holder. Place the pen about 1 cm above the notebook. Now our pen plotter is ready for use. There are 3 techniques to use the pen plotter which I am going to teach you right now. First is the outline technique. Outline technique creates an outline of the shape or text. Take any outline which you would like to draw using the machine, insert it in Inkscape, select and right click the image and click Trace Bitmap. Delete the original image. Now go to Extensions, Draw tools, generate pen servo Gcode tool. Change pen up and down command to M03. Change servo up angle to 250 and down angle to 90. You can experiment with these values as they may vary with different servos. Change delay to 0.2 ms. Change the directory to the folder you want the file. And change the file name. Now click Apply. This will save a Gcode file. Go back to UGS and open the Gcode file you have just now created. Make sure the machine is connected and the X and Y axis are at home position. Click the play button and the machine will start to write. Now we will look at the second technique, which is the hatch fill technique. Take any image which you would like to fill using the pen. Right click and trace bitmap. Now go to Extensions, Axie Draw Tools, Generate Hatch Fill. Change hatch fill spacing to 0.6. This is the spacing between the lines. Use a higher value if you are using a thicker pen. Change inset distance to 0.2 and tolerance to 1. Click Apply and close the box. Now select the image and generate a G-code same as we did previously. This will generate the outline along with fill inside. You can change the fill angle and distance. You can also generate multiple fills with different colors. The third is the text write technique. Write any text using the text tool in Inkscape. Now go to Extensions, KM Laser, Convert Hershey Text. Enable Live Preview and choose any font from the available font face. Then click Apply and close the box. Now select the text and generate the G-code as we did previously. This will make the pen write the text as if it was real handwritten text. This concludes our tutorial for the writing machine. I hope you found it useful. If you have any more ideas for the project, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.